Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of strategy? In this YouTube video, we will explore the 3 levels of strategy: corporate level strategy, business unit level strategy, and functional level strategy. Understanding these levels is essential for anyone involved in business or management, as they provide a framework for making strategic decisions and achieving organizational goals. 1. Corporate level strategy. At the highest level of an organization, corporate level strategy focuses on long-term goals and objectives that shape the entire company's direction. It involves decisions related to which industries to compete in, mergers and acquisitions, diversification strategies, and resource allocation across different business units. For example, let's take a look at the Walt Disney Company. Their corporate level strategy includes operating in various entertainment industries such as film, production, theme parks, television networks, and consumer products. This diversified approach allows them to leverage their brand across multiple platforms and maximize their market presence. 2. Business unit level strategy. Business unit level strategy focuses on how individual business units within an organization compete in their respective markets. It involves identifying target markets, developing competitive advantages, creating value propositions for customers, and setting performance targets for each business unit. An excellent example of effective business unit level strategy is Apple Inc. They have separate strategies for each product line like iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, etc., which are tailored to meet specific customer needs while maintaining a consistent brand image. This approach enables Apple to capture different market segments with innovative products and superior user experiences. 3. Functional level strategy. Functional level strategy refers to strategies developed by various functional areas within a business such as marketing, operations, finance, human resources (HR), research and development (R&D). These strategies align with both corporate and business unit strategies to ensure that each function contributes effectively towards achieving organizational goals. Let's consider Google as an example for functional level strategy. Their HR department focuses on attracting top talent through employee perks and benefits, fostering a culture of innovation. Meanwhile, their R&D team continuously explores new technologies and develops cutting-edge products to stay ahead in the market. These functional strategies support Google's overall corporate and business unit goals. By understanding these 3 levels of strategy, organizations can align their efforts across different levels and functions, leading to better decision-making, resource allocation, and ultimately achieving competitive advantage in the market.
If you liked the video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe.